How to fix Facebook, your account has been locked on your Facebook account. Today guys, I'm gonna show you and share with you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First, you will just open settings of your phone, then you will go directly to apps or applications, then you will scroll down and search for your Facebook application, and when you found it, just open it like this, then scroll down and go to storage, and on storage go to clear data, click on it, then click OK, and that's it. It will work with you. So I hope this video is useful for you guys. Don't forget to like, also to subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.